Hey guys, this is Dave from Crux Motorsports. I'm going to be showing you how to apply the pre-cut headlight film on this 2018 Ford Mustang. This is an air release film. You're going to start by wanting to clean this area, peel it from the backing paper, get it aligned. You're going to want to leave just a little bit of overhang all the way around the headlamp. This will be rolled over in the final stage. Once you get it aligned, you're just going to basically use your finger to work out the air. Just working towards the gap all the way around the headlamp. Then you're going to want to take your heat gun and get around this edge all the way around. Then just use your fingertip to roll the material into that edge. And I like to just go back over the material, making sure it's set and you don't have any air trapped in it anywhere. So this is the dark smoke overlay. We also have this available in a couple different options. A light smoke. I do have a full blackout version if you don't want anything. This is available on our website. Check it out. There's a couple other products listed on there as well. If you have any questions, shoot us a email. There's a contact section on our website. Again, thanks for watching.